are with our best player of the game, Jeff Chan, with 25 points, 3 out of 6 from the three-point line, and of course, 8 out of 13 from the field. And we have two very special guests, his lovely daughter. Say hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Amara.
And what's your name?
Erin.
Okay, ang cute, di ba? Jeff, congratulations. Now, what do you think was your team's edge kaya napanalunan niyo yung napaka-close game na yon?
Siguro I think yung third quarter nakapagtakbo kami konti, no? And yung outside shooting nag-click din. Pero yung defense namin kailangan namin improve, lalo na yung end game. Lalo na yung mga malalaki nila, like yung big imports, kailangan talaga namin ma-stop yun.
And also, do you feel na vindicated ka, nakabawi ka from your game against Talking Tex?
I think so, pero hindi pa tapos yun kasi hinabol namin makapasok ng quarters. And hopefully maka-streak kami ngayon.
Right, well said. Ngayon is your opportunity to say hi and also to greet your fans all over the country and the world.
Binabati ko lang yung mga Team Jeff Chan and yung mga fans ng Rain or Shine. And gusto ko batiin yung si Tita Lulu Posada sa happy birthday. God bless.
Right. You guys want to say something?
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.